Okay, quick impromptu video. Hopefully you guys are having a great day. Today I'm going to be doing some cabbage and some cucumbers. No. Lettuce and cucumbers. I've been using the window method to do all my germination, and these guys are ready to go. I'm also going to be doing these guys right here. This is the, no, it was cabbage. It was cabbage. I thought it was the, where's it at? The bib leaf. It is that is incorrect. But these guys, the cherry tomatoes are almost ready to go, and the chili peppers are kind of taking their time. But these cucumbers and this cabbage, it's time to put them in some soil. So let's do that. Hey, when you guys get a chance, do me a favor. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button so you can get those videos when they first come out. Make sure you hit that notification bell so that you get told by YouTube when I make a video. All right, let's get into this. Okay, so I've got my own soil that I mix up every year, and I also use it outside as well. I've pre-moistened it. I had to re-moisten it this morning, but I just pre-moistened it a little while ago. I'm just mixing it up. I use these little tweezers to put the things, the seed or the germinated seeds into the soil. Just loosening them up right now. Pretty simple. I'm gonna move this camera back some more so you can see more. There we go. And then I literally just take and basically I just run these tweezers. It sounds a little tedious, but this way I know that I'm not actually damaging my germinated seeds. And I'm really curious to see what happens when I open up these cucumbers. So let's put that tape over there. The cabbages will obviously not be as big. And then these cucumbers are going to be ginormous. Look at that. Look at that. And these are just in paper towels stuck in my window. The key thing you have to do here is just be careful to try not to rip the you got to make sure that you're gentle with these roots, and hopefully they won't just rip off. It does happen because sometimes they just get in there so far. Like, look at that little healthy little guy right there. And he's going to go right in. Then all I'll do is I'll just come over here and I'll dig myself a little hole and I'll gently push his roots in there. And then we'll kind of cover him up a little bit so that she stands up. And then there's number one. And then we'll just do this over and over, just very gently. And you can't really see. I'm actually using my fingers. I only use the tweezers to plant with because they give the root strength. There's actually two there. Or that seed didn't pop. But look how healthy those roots are. All right, so we're going to take that. I'm going to put you right here. You're almost not wanting to do what I want you to do. There we go. All right, there's two. Let's go find us another big old healthy root. And I think what I'll do is I'm just going to accelerate the video so you guys don't have to watch me doing this over and over. Okay, so that took me about 6.5 minutes to do altogether, and out of all the seeds that I put down, now these seeds were actually, I could probably get some more out of this, but they're just so small. Even there's one that even has, some of these have really good root systems. So I'll just plant one with a really good root system next to one that is kind of tiny, and we'll see what happens. So what do we got here? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 plants in the ground at the minimum, and then we'll just take and we'll put these under the light. Okay, so I kind of underestimated the size of the area that I wanted to put my lights down on. I wanted to put 2 things down there, so the cabbage will have to wait until tomorrow when I can get something to put over the top of this to increase my size and spread those lights out. But in the interim, then all I do is I just give these guys a nice little spritz. Just to make sure they got a little bit of agua to start off in their fresh new homes, and the soil will stay moist. Okay, so with all of that, that's what I'm going to do. And then those guys will, until they look like they're strong enough that they'll actually start standing up, I will keep them like that. And then, I don't know, probably about a week like this. And then what I'll do is I'll start moving them outside, in and out every day, depending on the weather, just so that they can get either, get used to the wind, get used to the temperature change, things like that, and then it's off to the planter box. And I know this is a long way of doing it, but this is how I do it, so it kind of makes sure that the plants are strong. And by the way, these seeds, these are actually seeds that I harvested myself 2 years ago from a Walmart cucumber. So let that one sink in. All right, guys, until the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you.